In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize page layouts in Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to organize your pages with columns, sections, macros, and formatting to create clean, professional-looking documentation. First, open the Confluence page you want to edit and click Edit. If you're creating a new page, click Create and choose a blank page or a template. To add columns, place your cursor where you want the layout to begin. Then click the Layout button in the editor toolbar. Choose a 1-column, 2-column or 3-column layout depending on how you want to organize your content. You can also type Layout to insert a layout section quickly. Next, enhance your page with macros. Type to open the macro menu, then insert tools such as Table of Contents, Info Panel, Jira Issues, Status, or other useful macros to make your page more interactive and easier to navigate. Format your content using headings, bold text, bullet lists, tables, and images from the editor toolbar. Well-structured content is easier to read, and adding images or panels helps highlight important information. Before publishing, use the preview to check your layout and make sure everything is aligned correctly. If you're satisfied with the result, click Publish or Update to save your changes. That's how to customize page layout in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.